Hello everyone, I hope all of you are doing great. Welcome back to my channel and I've come back with a new video today focusing on the jobs. So Jio, I hope all of you know Jio and most of you might be using the Jio SIM. So Jio is offering a lot of jobs and I thought that it's better that I can inform you with the help of this platform where lots and lots of jobs are there, and whatever you're seeing the offers online, most of them are fake, and most of the people manipulate in the name of jobs. So I thought to tell you the truth on how you can apply, and I thought to be genuine on how you can apply for these jobs. So Jio is offering a lot of jobs, and what you have to do is it's very simple. So first what you have to do is you have to go online and go to the official page of Jio, and you have an option called as careers in this. So you have to select that option, and I'll show you. You can see in the screen when you select this that option, you'll get this page. So as you can see here, you have to register yourself. So registering is a common procedure where you have to give in all your details, and after this you'll go to the next page. So in this page you have to apply for the job. As you can see, a lot of jobs are available right now. So some of the examples for the jobs are, so sales and distribution is there, customer service is there, business operations, IT and system, and etc, etc, etc. So these jobs are, as you can see, are already available, and you have to apply here. So based upon your skills, as per your qualification and as per your interest, you have to select one of this job and you have to apply. So for all this, based upon your qualification, it can start from the second PU. From the 12th standard, you can, if you have cleared your 12th exam, then definitely you can go for this. So you can apply for these jobs, and all the qualification and details are written. So individually, if you click on any of these tabs, then definitely the details of the qualification and requirements will be mentioned. So as soon as you apply, the next step is to face a test. So a test will be given to you, and this will be normally in the form of objective types. So the test is very simple. You need not worry, because it's all like basic general knowledge, and it's just like your aptitude test, and you have to clear this test, and after that you can go to the next procedure, that will be the interview. So the interview can be either direct interview where they might call you for any of the Jio office, or it will be online, maybe through a video conference or through your telephonic interview. So as for the current situation, I think that it will be either the online interview or the telephonic interview. So they'll take an interview which might go for 1 hour and plus, because as Jio is a reputed company, they'll be finalizing their candidates with a very careful interview and a very precise interview. And don't worry that, don't think that if it is such a long interview, it will be difficult for you. It will be very easy for you, because as you can see, most of the companies would see your skills rather than what you know. So you have to improve your communication skill and the way you talk and the way you convince. I think that will be one easy step for you to get in. So after the interview, your application will be sent for review, and in the review section, what they do is they will finalize and they will decide whether they have to offer you a job or not. And after finalizing that, you will get an offer letter. So as you get an offer, all this will be online, and they'll be sending this to you through your email ID. And once you get the offer letter, you have to reply back to them accepting the offer. As you accept the offer, they'll send back you the joining letter. So as you get the joining letter, it means that your job is officially confirmed, and all the details regarding the job will be mentioned in the email. So these are very small steps that you can apply. Please don't go outside asking for the jobs for Jio, because this is the one legal procedure where Jio is recruiting, and don't pay any money before job, because most of the agents do that. They ask money from you and then they apply through this. So you can do this directly from your side itself. It is such a easy procedure. So directly, whoever you are looking for, if you are looking for a job, then you please apply. And so if you get the job, then definitely you share my videos more, and this will encourage me to do more videos. So that's all, guys. So if you have any doubt regarding the jobs, then definitely reach me personally. I have the Instagram handle in the description, and I'll also put the description of the career page of Geo in my description, so that you can directly click there and directly it will be easy for you to search. And if there is anything, please, there is a comment box, do comment and reach me and share this video as much as possible, because you know that most of you are looking for jobs, and it will be helpful for one or the other person. Through this video they'll be they'll be reaching to some other level. So thank you all, thank you for watching my video, and please do subscribe and like and share as much as possible, and see you all in the next video. Thank you.